Hi everyone, welcome back to Sun's Arts. Today I'm going to make another haul as I had to make a visit to Dollar Tree for something. So yeah, I have to buy some more stuff, so I thought I'd make a haul. So yeah, let's start with something that I saw very interesting in Dollar Tree. This gel face mask. I have never used this. I thought like I'll try it. So I got one in charcoal. Where is charcoal? And one in rose. And I also have one in gold. So yeah, I'm going to use this and also try to give a review. So this is one thing that I got really interested in. I want to try this. Never tried this dye. Thought like, $1, let's try and see like how it works. So yeah, I'm going to try and tell this how this is going to work. And I got the brown one. I wish I got like black one, but this is looking like it's a dark brown one. So I'm going to give a review on this. And these two, I've been staring at them every time I go there, but I thought like, it's just $1, so let me go try how it's going to work or not. So I got two of these. I want to put some highlights, so I got two of these. So I'm going to try these and give a review as well. Travel size, so I thought like it's not bad, right, for $1. So I thought got one of these too. And these are masks. One is like an overnight mask and one is like in-shower mask. So I found this is interesting. I saw this sometimes back in Five Below, and yeah, Five Below is not open anymore for now. So I thought like it's a good company. Freeman is a good product that I saw in Five Below. So I thought like I would give a try and see how it goes. It's a very good buy for $1, isn't it? And can you believe this? The shampoo bottle with the nozzle, and then this is how much? 22.5 ounces and 665 ml. And my hair is like colored, so I got this one, which is a color care one, and it's paraben free. I've used in the past as well. It's a good product, and they got like 60% more, and there's $1. Can you believe that? So I got one shampoo and one conditioner. So this is definitely a good buy, guys. And I got some floral. So this is the one I really got excited. This is like, I went to buy some sunflowers and I couldn't find any sunflowers. Probably it's all gone by the time I went, but this is like daisies, and they got like beautiful sparkle center. So I got really excited. I got few bunches of this, and lilacs, so I'm going to use for one of the upcoming projects, and white roses. It's not white, I think it's like pink, light pink, I think baby pink. So I'm going to use this also for one of the upcoming projects. And this one is fern, and it's more like a fall color, so I'm going to do a project related to that. So I got one bunch of this as well. So these are the florals that I got interested in, and I got some Spanish moss. So this is also for a project. These are really good buy for $1, and I got really excited when I saw this wood stamps, and they are really a good quality. And I saw this in Michael's. They're definitely not $1. They're more than $1 there. So yeah, it's really a lot of pieces for $1. So yeah, I got really excited. I got a couple of these too. So I'm going to do for one of the upcoming projects. And this came like few months back, but my dollar store didn't have it, ran out of it, so I thought like they had some on the aisle, so I thought like I'll pick some of these. It's so cute. Mirror glass perfume bottle look. So it's so pretty for $1, so I thought I'll have one of these. And I got this beautiful frame. It's got metal and wood together, so it was unique looking. So I still didn't need I don't really need this for anything around the house or the project, so I just got one because it was pretty looking. And this is also for a project cover set. Isn't he cute? Butler. So I'm going to make a project with this. So one of the upcoming projects, I'm going to use this. And this is again the plastic tray that is for upcoming project as well. And this one is also for one of the upcoming projects. So these are really a good buy for $1. Can you believe this? Gold and silver. They're 3 flowing ounces, almost like 100 ml. So I keep using gold and silver for most of my projects, so it's really a good buy for $1. So I thought like I'll have one of each. So I got one gold and one silver. Glow in the dark beads. I'm gonna make a garland with this. They're really cool. So maybe around Halloween time I may do a project with this. So these are really cool for $1. So I got really excited when I saw this. And I picked up some more glue sticks. So this is very important for the project. And some more jute twine. There are 3 for $1. So I wish I had it in more colors like last time, but they all are the same color, but I definitely need them for one of the upcoming projects. And the thread set for $1. They got like how many? 15 and 3 larger ones. So black, white and red is like mostly used, so that's why they're big. So yeah, this is really a cool buy for $1, and they are from Crafter Square. They have a whole aisle of Crafter Square with all different kinds of products. So I have to contain myself to only a few of them, otherwise I go really crazy with all this stuff. So yeah, this is one of them I couldn't contain, so I had to have it. And one more, gemstone stickers. So I ran out of white, so I thought like I'll pick one of these as well. Isn't she cute? She's Miss Tilly. So they are so cute. They got all 4 of this. So I thought like Turtle was the most cute one. I mean, I felt she was more cute and she was so friendly. So I thought like I'll bring her home. So yeah, this is really a good buy for $1, guys. Let me open it and show you. Isn't she pretty? Miss Tilly. Say hi to Miss Tilly. Hi. So I'm going to put some gemstones or maybe a small planter. So she's so pretty for $1. I thought she's so cute. And let's get to these candles. I want to show these candles. They are very cute. And I got one more bigger Scotties. And this large candle for $1. This is a good buy. I buy this and then I make a smaller candles out of this. So this one I'm going to do a project. So yeah, please look out for one of the upcoming projects with candles, you guys. So yeah, this is for a project. And this candle I saw in Five Below. Then Five Below was open, and this is like frankincense and vanilla, and such a nice fragrance. Oh my god, it's divine. Actually, these are like one of the series that they sell, but yeah, this is a very good candle, and I found it in Dollar Tree, so I got excited and got one of these. And this is the most beautiful one. It's got like summer colors, orange and yellow, and it's canister. Hand poured artisan. Oh my god, it's divine. You should smell this. It's one of these, I mean, all of them were gone. I just got like only one was left in the aisle, so I got excited. I thought like at least I'll take one. So she's home. This is a very cool buy for $1. So this is one. And I got some incense sticks. When you sit in the backyard, there are a lot of mosquitoes coming towards us. So I thought like I'll lit this incense sticks. And now there's like some of the other varieties I also have. Like this is like a 40 pieces for $1. So I want to give it a try. So yeah, I got one of these as well. And the food, mushrooms. I got this, and my daughter liked last time, so I got some more of this. Mushrooms. And this is olives stuffed with pimentos. So yeah, this is a cool buy, isn't it, for $1? So yeah, I got one of these. And cookies butter with hazelnut chocolate spread. So yeah, this is also a good buy for $1. So I thought I'll pick one of these. And they're salted roasted peanuts. I got 10 ounces bags. 2 of them I got for $1 each. It's a good buy for $1. This is one of the things my daughter loves a lot. And last time when I got, I think it was a bigger bag. I don't know why the bag size have gone down. So it's gone to 5 ounces now. So yeah, but I still got it. This tastes really good. Dirty rice. So I got one for her. And I'm planning to make the cake. So this cake decorating kit. And they got like different nozzles. So I thought like I'll give it a try. So this is one of it. It's loot bags with nice design on it. 25 of them. So I just got one of these. I'll use it sometimes. And this is sponge holder. And I got really excited. Looks nice. And it's cute for $1. So I thought I'll have one of these as well. And this one is so cute. So I don't have 1/8 and 1/4 of the teaspoons, and so I thought like I'll pick one of these. It's got until 1/8. So this is also a cool for $1. I saw this in Bed Bath & Beyond. Like they are really expensive there. So you know, I'm going to use it only when I have to measure. So I don't need expensive stuff for that. So I thought I'll use this. And cake dish. So basically you pull out and like that. And then since we are making cakes, I thought like we need a dome to serve. And then when you have to lock it, you have to push it like that. Isn't that pretty for $1? It's not bad, right? Yeah, I need to learn how to do this. This is cake dome. So cool. So I need this kind of a long spoon. I think it's with a spoon with a straw. Supposing you're eating like a big cup of ice cream. So I thought like I'll get one of these. So they look cool to me. So this is one of it. So that's it, guys. So these are the stuff that, oh, I have some more. This is a big t-shirt that I got, like 2X adult size t-shirt. So the reason I got this is got like nice summer color, and I'm going to make a dress, summer dress for my daughter. If you're interested, I'll make a video on that and I'll post it. So I'm going to make a cotton. This is a nice quality. It's not bad. I wouldn't say it's very good quality, but it's not a bad quality. So I thought like I'll make a summer dress for her. So this is one color that I got. Can you believe that Dollar Tree has this kind of full hands? They're full hand shirts. This one too. So I'm going to make one in gray and one in yellow. Summer dress for her. This is also a 2X shirt. So yeah. So I got really excited when I saw like bigger shirts like this. So yeah, she can wear it for summer. So yeah, so these are the things I wanted to share with you in this haul. So yeah, I hope you also enjoyed along with me. So yeah, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed, and like and share as well. And yeah, I'll see you next time. Thank you so much for watching.